Now, there are so many AI tools out there, and one of them is Meta AI. Sometimes when you give a prompt and want results from Meta AI, you might not get good ones. At that time, you may think it's the problem with Meta AI, but sometimes it's actually your problem, because prompting is really important. If you give a good prompt, you'll get much better results. So, in this video, we'll talk about how to give good prompts in Meta AI. For this, you can install the Meta AI application. It's available in the App Store and Play Store. Anyway, after opening Meta AI, you'll reach a page like this. If you're not seeing this page, just click the center button. When you click it, here you can see the Ask Anything option. Click there, and here you can type your prompt, and when you're typing the prompt, sometimes you'll ask a direct question. For example, sometimes you may want to know more details about black holes. So you can just ask, "What is a black hole?" Then also, Meta AI will give you an answer. But if you want better results, here's what you need to do. Tell it how much you already know about the concept. So, if you're a beginner, you can say, "I'm a beginner, so explain it to me like I'm a beginner." After the question, you can add, "I'm a beginner, so explain it to me like I'm a beginner." If you already know something, you can mention that too, and say, "Explain it to me like that." Sometimes you'll have good knowledge already, so you can tell it that as well. Then Meta AI will explain more advanced things to you. So that's the tip when you're asking direct questions. But sometimes you'll be asking personalized questions. For example, sometimes you'll have a company and want a marketing strategy for it. In that case, it's a personal question, so you need to give maximum details about your company. In that case, here's what's important to keep in mind. First, you should assign a role to Meta AI. Second, you need to tell it what you want. And third, you need to give context. That means you should explain more about yourself. So in this case, first we need to give a role, and here we want a marketing strategy. So we can give the role of marketing expert with 10 years of experience. First, you should say that. Second is what you want, and here we want a marketing strategy. You can say, "We want a marketing strategy." And third, you need to give the context. That means you need to give more details about our company. Our company name, where it is located, how many employees there are, what kind of marketing strategy you want, everything you can explain. And when you explain those things, you'll get better results. And one hack is that, if you're not good at prompting, what you can do is go to Meta AI and ask Meta AI to generate a good prompt for you. And here also, those 3 things you should keep in mind. First is that you need to give a role, and here the role is that you are a prompt engineer with 5 years of experience or something like that. Second is what we want. We want a prompt. We can say that. And third is that we need to give the context. And here also, you should explain as many things as possible about your company. And after that, when you click the send button, you'll get a good prompt. And when you go through that prompt, you can see there are so many details that weren't even in your mind. An important thing is that if there are any corrections needed, you need to fix them, because only you know the most about your company. So after making those corrections, paste it on a new page and send that prompt, and you'll get good results. And sometimes you may want to generate an image. In that case too, the key is to give maximum details. If you're generating an image, you should explain more things about the background, what should be in the background. And if it's an image of a person, you need to explain more about that person. For example, his age, his height, his skin color, his hair color, then his dress, everything you should explain. Then you'll get the image that was in your mind. So, from now onwards, if you're giving prompts in Meta AI, keep these things in mind. This way, you can easily give good prompts in Meta AI to get great results. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.